guest is our Haitian superstar. She has moved culture with her music and inspires so many, y'all including me. Please welcome out the one and only Miss Anie Alerte! Indeed, please have a seat.
Thank you, my dear.
You're so welcome. Thank you for joining me. I'm a huge fan.
I think you know I'm your fan, since you I always said that. Your voice, oh my God. Yeah.
Annie, we're gonna go back and forth with y'all. Y'all know Annie is the bomb. So can I say sac passe?
Aboulé!
Hey! So can you tell us about your experiences participating in the Digicel Stars talent competition and how it shaped your career in music?
You know, it was in 2008. I was only 14 years old.
Oh, wow.
When I started, with Digicel Stars. And it was a competition. There was more than, it was like a national competition in Haiti. Mm-hmm. There was a lot of participants. Mm-hmm. And I was the second, the second winner of this competition in 2008. And this helped me so much my whole life. It shows me in life, when you want something, you have to work hard for it.
Yes.
And nothing cannot stop you when you want it for real.
It's so true. And you have incredible support. You grew an amazing fan base while you were there on the show. So you started off singing gospel and religious songs. What made you develop a taste for other Haitian music genres?
When I started, my family, we are like, it's a church family. Everybody, we are a gospel family. We don't play about you going out and sing other
secular music.
Yes.
Or yes.
But I have my grandfather. He used to play guitar, and then with Tropicana. And then I always said, whenever I go to his house, I always feel like I have the voice. I know that I can sing. I can do gospel music.